Okay everyone, so I'm gonna put this in the beginning. I just figured out I can do front-facing camera footage at 21:9. You're about to watch 4K on the rear, but I'm gonna bump this in front of it because I just figured this out. How does this look? Now I think it's shooting it in 1080p at 30 frames per second, but this is actually pretty cool. It's like wide angle on the front because of the ratio, but y'all let me know how it looks and sounds. How do I look? Look, check that out. But this is actually pretty cool. I'm glad I figured this out. But I'm definitely liking these cameras so far. Check out the 4K footage in 21:9. Y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds. Until then, peace. Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Yes, I am shooting this on my Sony Xperia 10 Plus. What y'all think about it? I'm shooting in 4K with the ratio of 21:9. I did figure out a way to download this to Adobe and then up to YouTube without using the phone, which is actually pretty cool. I want to see how this looks on YouTube. I want to actually see how it looks on other phones. If it's done correctly, you shouldn't have to pinch or zoom. It should fill up your phone screen pretty well. But how do I sound? How does everything look so far? Let's zoom in. It does get a little shaky, but what y'all think about that? I think it looks pretty good. But yeah, I'm just doing a little camera test of the video with 21:9. Then I'm gonna come back and do a full camera review or test with the phone. One thing I wish that you could do with this phone is shoot the 21:9 in like 1080p, but you can't. Right now you can only shoot in 4K with 21:9. Can they update that with a software update? I don't know. Maybe they can, maybe they want to. I don't know what they can do. But this is what we have. Let's see how this looks. Again, how do I sound? I'm trying to test out the mics on this phone too. Bam. I think it's gonna look cool on YouTube, but I want to know what y'all think about it. How does that plane sound? Let's see if we have any type of focusing problems. Bam, I don't see any type of focusing problems. But y'all let me know how I look and sound. I say that a lot. Now, so far, I am liking the Sony Xperia 10 Plus. It's been really good so far. If you haven't checked out my unboxing video, go look in the description. I will have the link in the description. Check out my unboxing and also my first impressions. But let's check out the water. How does the colors look? Do they look realistic? Oversaturated? What y'all think about it? Okay, I don't want to make this video too long, but what y'all thought about this whole video? Do you like the 21:9 ratio? Is there something new? Will it stay around, or is Sony out of their mind? Y'all let me know in the comments. I think it actually looks pretty cool by what I'm seeing so far, but I want to see more of it. Maybe I can even make a YouTube video using this phone in a 21:9. What y'all think about that? Stay tuned to the channel. I will have more videos coming up with the Sony Xperia 10 Plus. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I don't know why not. But make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until the next video, peace. I'm out of here.